Hey, it's Doug here of Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're taking a look at this very nice 2007 Honda Rebel 250. Beautiful red color. Great shape. 250cc twin-cylinder 4-stroke engine. Carbureted. 5-speed transmission. This bike makes a very good starter bike, very low seat height, lightweight, very manageable power, easy for beginners to ride. This bike has 2,988 miles on it. Very quiet, smooth, reliable engine. Great on gas. This thing gets 60 miles a gallon plus. Tires in great shape. This nice Rebel is offered at $29.95. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You could reach us at 408-730-0600.